to tour.
All the way down.
Yeah, beautiful. Trying. Just keep going to get out of the rain.
Get a good iPhone picture of that. Oh, nice. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. That's what I wanted today.
Keep going, John.
I got it.
Fuck yeah, gentlemen.
Thank you, Dan. This one's all you.
I was wondering why we were. I'm like, let's go.
That's natural audio.
I need to.
Natural audio.
Get a nice picture.
Oh my god.
Wow. I'm gonna kill the bullet.
Oh, I should park right there. Yeah, you can go ahead and pull over if you want. Yeah, go ahead and pull over.
Let's get past these trees now.
Face the car.
Let's get up on the hill up there.
Oh my gosh. Yeah,
Looks like it's gonna last a little long.
let's keep getting closer.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. That is gorgeous.
Beautiful tornado, Onslow, Iowa. Gorgeous rope tornado.
Well, it's starting to taper at the top. I'm gonna get a quick pick while I can.
Yep.
Right here past the trees. It's starting to taper. Oh, it's gonna be gone.
Oh, look at the sheath.
I'm just gonna get closer.
Look at the sheath. Guys, it might come back. John, it's gonna come back.
It's gone.
It's gonna recondense. Sometimes they do that.
It's still cranking up there.
That is.
Is there, okay, find it. What is our east options here?
Give me a second. Give me a second.
Well, it's gone. What's our east options?
All the way down to Wyoming. So just keep going.